Good morning, all. Today, we'll be discussing about the technologies which is used in electronic customer relationship management. So, for the last classes, we were discussing about what customer relationship management is and what electronic customer relationship management is. And we have seen the advantages of customer relationship management, electronic customer relationship management. And also, we have discussed about what are the factors an organization should make sure to have a successful electronic customer relationship management. And today, we are going to see the various technologies which is used by organizations in electronic customer relationship management. And the first and foremost technology is called as voice portal. Voice portal is something which is very much known by each and everyone. An example for voice portal is our Google Assistant. That is, when we search in Google with the support of voice, or when we give some commands to Google with the support of voice in our smartphones, then that search will be shown, that query will be shown in our web page. So, searching for something information or searching for something from the organization with the support of voice is called as voice portal. It is a web portal that can be accessed entirely by the voice of people. That is, any type of information, service, or transactions found on the internet could be accessed with this voice portal. There are two major categories of voice portal. One is something which provides general access to the customers or the consumers, and another is something which provides a customized access to the employees or staff or the customer support agents of that organization. So voice portal is something which is simple. സാധാരണ രീതിയിൽ നമ്മൾ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്ത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സെർച്ച് ചെയ്ത് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കുന്ന ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ഇവിടെ വോയിസ് കമാൻഡ്സ് കൊടുത്ത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സംസാരിച്ച് നമ്മൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറുമായിട്ട് സംസാരിച്ച് വോയിസ് കമാൻഡ്സ് കൊടുത്ത് വിത്ത് ദ സപ്പോർട്ട് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് വി ഗെറ്റ് ദ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ technology which is used in electronic customer relationship management, which is called as voice portal.